you're looking at a $80,000 to $100,000 rehab. Easy here.
Right.
Easy. And that's not even addressing this.
Right. It's like I don't even know what to do with that. Because I was somewhere around like 60.
60K?
Yeah, like, and that's without knowing what's going on.
I mean, I think 100, 110.
Yeah, because I thought the 60 was on the low side.
Yeah, I'd buy it today for 100.
For 100, and that's pretty much what's going on the street. Because right across the street, that brick one went for 105, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, completely renovated. So
just shoot them an offer.
Yeah.
I mean, and you could just kind of let them know the feedback you're getting. Hey, man, I know that this is what you're shooting for. Brought a few investors by to check it out, and this guy came in higher than anyone else.
Yeah, and I think we've already talked to all the numbers. He's had a few guys. Matter of fact, there's a folder down there in the kitchen, and I think that he's tried to do wholesaling before, and the people that he was with couldn't perform.
Really?
Yep. Because, yeah, matter of fact, the guy that I called for the listing was not the actual owner of record. It was the wholesaler.
Really?
Yep. So.
And he straight put it on the market too? Or listed it?
No, he had it on Craigslist. That's how I got his number. So that was early October, right when I got licensed, so around the 10th. He went on the market around the end of October with one of those transaction-only brokerages where they put on the MLS, call him. And yeah, they had it listed at 275, dropped to 265.
Tripping.
Expired. Yeah. So yeah, I was like, there's no way you're going to get that, man. And yeah, I told him that $100 number or that 100,000. And of course, if you put up 100, I mean, you would like to get back 100 at least.
I mean, you're looking at a $80,000 to $100,000 rehab. Easy here.
Right.
Easy. And that's not even addressing this.
Right. It's like I don't even know what to do with that. I mean, I guess you reconfigure it to 2 bedrooms.
I honestly feel like you kind of got to eat it. You know what I mean? Meaning like this would be better suitable as a rental.
Yeah.
All day, man, because you're that close to 5 points, bro.
Yeah.
Rent out per room or something. Get a bunch of college kids, man. Just put new paint, new flooring throughout. Maybe rip out these vanities. You know, just put something. Could just take this off and lay a granite slab with the sinks cut out.
That'd be perfect for making shots, you know what I mean?
Right.
During the party, just come back here with the whole daggone, jug back here or whatever.
This person would be living large, huh?
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, I feel like it really is a college rental. And so you're saying that you'd be willing to write him for what, 100?
Let's write it up.
Let's write it. I mean, all I can do is offer it to him and tell him what it is.
Let's shoot him 105.
Okay. Let's see what it says. Cool. I'll write it up.
Hell yeah.
Cool. And yeah,
you're gonna show me the dining room?
Yeah, let's do that. So yeah, front formal living room here. I'm not sure about the fireplace. That crack right there is concerning.
Where's that?
Right over here.
Yeah. I mean, there's obviously some foundation stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. No doubt. So I told him I'll have to call the other canties for that. I'll sell you a house, the other canties will fix the foundation. Here's that glitter, but so here's the bedroom or the dining room that was switched over to a bedroom.
Interesting.
So, yeah, she got older. I think she died in her late 90s, I believe. So, Paul died and she went a few months after that. A bathroom down here. And,
a wallpaper would be fun to mess with, man. Hate this stuff.
Yeah. We painted ours, but it's starting to come back on us.
Yeah.
So, it's starting to peel up and everything, so I'm going to strip it all and repaint it.
Mud it, huh? Skin color.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's write this up. Go with it.
Yeah, I'll write it up, let you know what he gets, what he has to say.
Cool.
Yeah, he was talking to these guys. Have you heard of them?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're older, bro.
Because he said, so the thing with the wholesalers he worked with before, and that's what's got him agitated, is they took 3 months. They had him in a contract for 3 months, and then came through and said they couldn't get financing.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
I doubt it was these people, bro.
Nah, I think those are the next guys to come through and say
They're a little more vetted. I wonder what they offered him.
Yeah. He still hasn't told me.
I feel like they probably came in right about where we're at with this one. But maybe you can talk to him and get us the in.
Yeah. Yeah, because I already talked it up, and I told him I'd get you over here, and I know you've been doing business around here so long, if anybody's going to do it, you're got to do it. So
That's what's up, bro.
let's get it done, man.
Well, appreciate you,
All right, for
man.
sure, man.